Service modules installed. Boxes removed. If we are to dismantle or install the service module, we must first dismantle the green net. Otherwise we don't have the ink system. We need the ink system, not the ink core. The ink system. Find those ink cores in the 1000 series, which requires ink systems. It can't get out of the way and then we can't change. Well, if we're going to change it, we'd better not knock it off. After that, we can pull it outside, and this one pulls the screws out. We'll take down the suture module and we'll replace the new one. We can't install it, then install the 2 screws. Okay. This service module is installed like this.